Hello! This tutorial will walk you through setting up Google Chrome for optimal call quality performance using Ricochet. There's really only two major things that you should do, and they're both very easy to configure. The first is to set up Google Chrome on the latest version. So make sure that you have the latest version of Google Chrome. Okay, so go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and once you're ready, you can pause this until you have Google Chrome open. And once you're ready, you click on the three little dots on the top right corner of Google Chrome, right there. I don't know if you can see it, top right corner. Scroll down to the Help section and click on About Google Chrome. Okay, and that will check for updates. And this is actually right now updating Google Chrome for me automatically. It found a new update. You can set it up for automatic updates as well. So my system actually detected that there's an update, and it looks like it's going to do that. When it's done updating, you can simply click a button to restart Google Chrome, and you have the latest version. If you have the latest version, it will tell you Google Chrome is up to date. So it's as simple as that. That's part one. Part two is making sure that you turn off hardware acceleration. Okay, so yeah, by the way, it says relaunch if you have to update anything in Google Chrome. Now, part two, again, you want to click on the three dots on the top right corner of Google Chrome, and you want to go to settings. So we're going to click on settings here. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Show Advanced Settings down here at the absolute bottom of the page. Okay, I clicked on that. And again, we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you're going to see it says right here, System, use hardware acceleration when available. Now, this is normally checked already. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is uncheck it. We are not going to use the hardware acceleration feature in Google Chrome. Makes very little difference to you. Nobody will notice it on your team, but it does ensure optimal call quality performance. So make sure that's unchecked. When you do uncheck it, of course, I'm checking it right now, but when you do uncheck it, then you're going to need to restart Google Chrome for that to take place. All right, that's it. Those are the two items that you need to do for optimal performance with Google Chrome. As always, please let us know if you have any questions. Thanks again.